Imagine if you could earn $25 per hour by simply typing numbers. That is exactly what I'll show you how to do. In this video, I'll show you how to make money typing numbers. It isn't a skill that's difficult to learn, and anyone with a PC or laptop can do it. So, watch full video to find out how. Check the description for amazing money-making hacks, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Now let's jump to the video. If you are looking for a job that is flexible and doesn't require a lot of time, then becoming a freelance bookkeeper might be the right job for you. Bookkeepers can work from home or while they are on the go. You just need to have your own computer and internet connection to start working. A bookkeeper is a person who is responsible for keeping track of the money and financial records of a business. Bookkeepers are often employed by small businesses, and their primary responsibility is to keep track of the funds coming in and going out of the company. They also record all transactions that take place within the company, including purchases and sales, as well as any other financial actions. Bookkeeping is in high demand, therefore you may work in many sectors, with high profit potential. If you enjoy numbers, it's a great option. You don't have to earn a bachelor's degree, a high school degree is fine. You may learn accounting skills from certified training institutes or watch YouTube videos or read about accounting. Then, create your CV and highlight your skills, but don't forget to include education to stand out. Here are some online websites where you can find bookkeeper opportunities. 1. LinkedIn. LinkedIn is great for virtual bookkeeping jobs. Small and big organizations need bookkeepers. 2. AccountingDepartment.com. They provide bookkeeping services. To begin, pass certain exams. You may become a part-time or full-time bookkeeper after passing the examinations. 3. Belay. Belay is where to locate virtual bookkeepers online. It recruits top personnel and offers bookkeeping. They welcome freshmen and undergrads. You can make $25 per hour. Also, you can find many bookkeeper opportunities on other freelancing websites such as Freelancer, Upwork, and Fiverr. The salary for a bookkeeper is on average $25 per hour as a full-time job. I also highly recommend to become a certified bookkeeper by joining a professional organization, as a certified bookkeeper can earn $80 per hour. In the end, don't forget to check the description box to earn big money instantly, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.